I watched hundreds of animal videos this week. Most of them weren't worth your time. But these 15, they completely hijacked my attention. Some made me laugh, some genuinely surprised me, and one I still don't have an explanation for. I thought this was just another backyard pool. Then I noticed the lifeguard. Someone give this guy a tiny whistle and a paycheck. This horse was really feeling his oats.
Girl, listen. So my cousin's going to the 7-Eleven.
She's chewing like she's reviewing a 5-star restaurant.
Good, they got that spice down there. Was this the shrimp one? Anyway, my cousin goes to the 7-Eleven.
If somebody say something I don't like, slap.
Don't
If
mess
somebody
with this
look at
little
me the way
guy.
I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap. Like, you know, you can get slapped, right? Just like you said, anybody, a slap don't got no.
Cats always act like they accidentally get into trouble. But watch this. This one knows exactly what he's doing. That wasn't curiosity. That was a planned robbery. Do you think this goat knows? Or is he just feeling his new headdress? I mean, isn't this just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Are we sure this is a real dog? I think it's a person dressed up like one. Prove me wrong.
Know why she's a circle. That's crazy.
This is my favorite cat shape.
How did she do that? Bro.
I think the pillowcase won. I've watched thousands of animal videos, and somehow the internet still manages to surprise me every single week. If you find one that deserves to be in the next episode, send it to me. I might feature it.